Health and wellness. With an increasing focus on self-care, health and wellness niches are in high demand. Some popular sub-niches include fitness, nutrition, and mental health. Personal finance. With the rise of financial literacy movements around the world, personal finance niches are becoming increasingly popular. Some popular sub-niches include budgeting, investing, and debt management. Technology and gadgets. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, tech and gadget niches are becoming increasingly popular. Some popular sub-niches include smartphones, laptops, and gaming. Travel and adventure. With the world opening up again, travel and adventure niches are experiencing a surge in popularity. Some popular sub-niches include budget travel, luxury travel, and adventure sports. Beauty and fashion. With the rise of social media influencers, beauty and fashion niches are becoming increasingly popular. Some popular sub-niches include skincare, makeup, and fashion trends. Parenting and family. As more people prioritize family values, parenting and family niches are becoming increasingly popular. Some popular sub-niches include pregnancy, child development, and parenting tips. Education and learning. With the rise of online learning platforms, education and learning niches are becoming increasingly popular. Some popular sub-niches include language learning, study tips, and online courses. Food and cooking. With the rise of foodie culture, food and cooking niches are becoming increasingly popular. Some popular sub-niches include healthy eating, vegan and vegetarian cooking, and international cuisine. Business and entrepreneurship. With more people starting their own businesses, business entrepreneurship niches are becoming increasingly popular. Some popular sub-niches include startup advice, marketing strategies, and business management. Sports and fitness. With the rise of fitness culture, sports and fitness niches are becoming increasingly popular. Some popular sub-niches include fitness challenges, sports equipment reviews, and workout routines. To get started with blogging in these niches, follow these steps. 1. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and have knowledge in. 2. Research your niche and identify popular sub-niches. 3. Choose a blogging platform, such as WordPress or Blogger, and select a domain name. 4. Install a SEO plugin, such as Yoast SEO, to optimize your blog for search engines. 5. Create a content calendar and plan out your blog posts for the next few months. 6. Write high-quality, informative blog posts that provide value to your readers. 7. Use keywords strategically in your blog posts to improve your search engine rankings. 8. Promote your blog on social media and other relevant platforms to attract readers. 9. Network with other bloggers in your niche to build relationships and collaborate on projects. 10. Continuously learn and improve your blogging skills through courses, workshops, and online resources. Remember, the key to success in blogging is consistency and providing value to your readers. By following these steps and staying committed to your blog, you can build a successful blogging business in any of these high CPC niches.